Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for joining us for another French lesson. We've been working with question words, or interrogatives is the technical term. Think of interrogate or interrogation, asking questions. This is where we get the word interrogative from. So interrogative simply means a question word. I will put all of these lessons on interrogatives together in a playlist. So if you find this and you want to learn the other ones, you can find the other lessons by simply going to my homepage and scrolling through the videos, or you can also look in the playlists and find the question words there so you can watch them all together. Okay, so the next question word is the word pourquoi. Pourquoi simply means why. Why? Pourquoi? Pourquoi? So let's look at some examples of pourquoi. Of course, why by itself. Pourquoi? Why not? This is another question you might commonly hear. Why not? Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? Why not? Pourquoi? Why? Pourquoi pas? Why not? How about the question, why are you working? Why are you working? Why are you working? We of course start with pourquoi. And remember the verb to work is travailler, travailler. So using the vous, we have the question, pourquoi travaillez-vous? Pourquoi travaillez-vous? Why are you working? This can also mean, why do you work? Pourquoi travaillez-vous? Remember, a verb conjugated in the present tense can have more than one meaning. So this question can be, why do you work, or why are you working? Just depending on the context. Pourquoi travaillez-vous? How about, why are you here? I placed the F there to give you a heads up that we're talking about the formal you, which is vous, and you have to use the verb être, so pourquoi. Then we have êtes-vous, so why are you? Pourquoi êtes-vous? And then the last word, ici. Pourquoi êtes-vous ici? Pourquoi êtes-vous ici? Why are you here? If I want to ask the same question but using tu instead of vous, pourquoi es-tu ici? Pourquoi es-tu ici? Pourquoi es-tu ici? How about, why are you waiting? Remember, the verb to wait is attendre, attendre. So we start off with the why, pourquoi. Now to ask the are you waiting part, we literally have to say wait you. Why wait you? So pourquoi attendez-vous? Pourquoi attendez-vous? Why are you waiting? Pourquoi attendez-vous? Why do you study French? So we're going to use the vous form for this one. Let's start off with the why, which is very simple. Pourquoi? Why do you study? Remember, you literally have to say study you. Why study you? Pourquoi étudiez-vous? And then, of course, French is le français. Pourquoi étudiez-vous le français? Why do you study French? Why are you doing that? Again, we're using the vous here. So we start off with the why, pourquoi. Remember, the verb to do is faire. So we'll use the vous form of faire, which is faites-vous. Literally, why do you? And then the word for that would be ça. Pourquoi faites-vous ça? Pourquoi faites-vous ça? Why are you doing that? The informal version of this would be, of course, pourquoi. Instead of faites, it would be fait. Pourquoi fais-tu? And then, of course, ça. Pourquoi fais-tu ça? Why are you doing that? Pourquoi fais-tu ça? And that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning French and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.